has taken a different approach to the warehouse than other companies that are producing what are typically called warehouse management systems or WMS packages. Those companies tend to want to be all things to all companies. That is, they have every feature function you can dream up, and every week they're trying to add 14 more because their competition is adding more features and functions. So if you've got a big warehouse and you need a lot of features, a lot of functions with lots of people in the warehouse, those are good packages to get. The problem for smaller companies that are just getting started on automation, or even mid-sized companies, is you have to pay for a lot of features and functions that you're never going to use or not use for a very long time. We've said, look, let's figure out what the problems are in the warehouse, and let's try and solve those problems, and let's try and just charge for solving those specific problems. We can always add things on in the future, and that's the approach we've taken. And that being the case, we've gone out and done a lot of research and survey work, at least looked at all the surveys that have been done out in the industry, and found out that there are 4 major problems in the warehouse. Those problems are kind of ranked by the number of respondents that came back and said, yep, that's what's keeping me up at night. The one that you're seeing here was a Logistics Management Magazine survey that was the result of responses by 465 warehouse managers, which is a pretty high value to get for knowing that you're accurate. And what those warehouse managers said is, look, my number one problem that I have to deal with every day is order accuracy. In today's world, it's so competitive out there that if I don't fill every order correctly every time, I'm going to lose customers. They're not going to come back to me, and I'm going to lose all that future business. That was about 97% of the respondents. About 96% of the respondents said, you know, filling orders is a huge problem, but equal to that, almost equal to that, is getting product there on time. If I fill the order accurately but I don't get it there on time, I'm either going to create a problem for manufacturers that are looking for components. If it's a consumer customer and I don't get the product there on time, I'm going to disappoint them, or the person whose birthday is coming up, or an anniversary or whatever. So we've got to get the product there when it was promised. A huge number of them, like 60–70% of them, said, I also have a problem with visibility. I'm working with pencil and paper in my warehouse, and because I've got pencil and paper, I can't see the data. It's not visible to me in any easy way. I wish I could have visibility into my orders that are out in the warehouse, and I wish I could have, if I don't have a stock location system or some sort of inventory system, I wish I could see my on-hand visibility, how much product I have and where it is. That's the third large problem. And the fourth one, that's pretty much every respondent came back and said, look, I want all those problems to go away, the first 3 that were mentioned, but at the same time, tell me how to reduce my costs, and don't tell me to do it by getting rid of people. We're working with as few people as we can. They're working as hard as they can. Tell me how to make those folks more productive. And what we decided to do was develop an order filling and shipping solution and an optional stock location solution that could be added on that will allow me to make those problems go away and do it at a cost that folks can actually afford. So the good news is going to offer you a solution that will give you 100% order filling accuracy. It'll give you 100% on-time delivery, assuming you've got the product there to ship, 100% visibility into both order filling, and if you take the Warehouse 102 product, that is the product with stock location, will give you visibility into your product as well, and will definitely give you affordable pricing for the system and anything you need to add on in the future. If these are the kinds of things that you want to solve out in your warehouse, then we've really got a solution for you.